Hello, it's Christian with Mate. Once you've set up your HomeKit home, you may need to add rooms or make changes to existing rooms. To get to the Room Settings menu, select Rooms at the bottom of the screen, then the menu button at the top left, then select Room Settings. From here, if you select an existing room, you can change its name, which is very important when using Siri. When you ask her to do something like turn on the lights in a room, this is the name she'll be using. You can add a room to a zone. A zone would be something like a basement, kids' rooms, or master suite where you want a single command to control an area instead of a room. An example would be Siri, turn off lights in the kids' rooms. You can personalize your home app by taking pictures of the rooms and adding them as wallpaper. You can take a new picture or choose an existing one. Finally, you can remove the room. On the Room Settings menu, you can also add rooms. From here, you can name the room and customize the wallpaper. Adding devices to rooms is done through each device's settings, which we'll cover in another video. Thanks, and have a great day. Check the description for links to products to take your HomeKit to the next level.